Ateethesya Matakitali ungu wa muvango wa silikali wa kwailya maundu ma uiiti kwa kila mweenethi na alame kyumwani cha katatu cha mukomo nimaweta kana maisyokethya kusyokethya wiani nginya ila mavata mo meuvikiya kuthinikiwa mainena musini wa Mombasa kavindani kala Kutwaiisya maandamano nginya uvisini wa gavana wa kaunti isu nimalalamikia kuandikwa kwa kandarasi kwa ilungu yasa maiweta kana mawiyala Ateethesya masivitali vamwe na kuikithya kana muvango wa uiiti kwi kila mweenethi niweaniwa mailite kunengwa wia wa kutoa Angelina Muse nukuelesya.
Mainena kavindani kala methio maitwaisya maandamano Ateethesya Matakitali va kaunti ya Mombasa ungu wa walenyo wa silikali wa kwithya kana uthukumi wa uiiti ni wavikiya kila umwe nimaweta kana maivikiya kusyoka wiani nginya ila mavata moma kuvikiya kuthinikiwa kwivo kuandikwa wia wa kutua vandu va contract ila methitwo maitumikia kwa kilungu kiasa.
We have a mission, and our mission is conversion to permanent pensionable, payment of gratuity and job registration. That is our bare minimum right now. If that is not done, we are not going to go back to work. The numbers that we are having here, some of them are in charges. Some of them are operating facilities without any other people, only with casuals. Right now, mothers are delivering at home because these nurses and CEOs are the people responsible for conducting deliveries. Immunization coverage is going down right now because the government has failed to convert these guys so that these are health workers to permanent pensionable so that they can offer their services at a minimum level where they enjoy these are the allowances that their counterparts who are employed in under county government enjoy.
Nimakwetekana mayithitwo maikwata ilovia sya kumathuthya kana kumathangasya na ila inenga wa thukumi alangi muviani wa uiiti vala mawetekana yu nimakuendea na mukomo una ula walika chumwa cha kana.
We can't even go for further training. We cannot get loans because when you go to seek maybe a loan, you want to develop yourself, the banks will always check whether you are employed into permanent and pensionable or you have enough security to guarantee their repayment of their loans. So we are disadvantaged as UHC staff, and our demand still remains that the government must act now.
We don't enjoy nursing and service allowance. We don't enjoy commuter allowance. We don't have risk allowance, of which when you see all these people, they are really straining, but they can't offer these services because they are demotivated. Hakuna kitu wanaweza fanya sahi, but ni down tools, punda amechoka, and the only thing we can do is to leave these facilities for the government who has failed to act upon our cries.
Nimawetekana nimaende na kunyamaika na kutuma matakwata mikovu kuma vengi ya kuiendesya kimasomo ni kumanamo kwithiwa maandikitwo ungu wa contract.
So the perennial lies that we are having every day, that they are going to be transitioned, is not going to fall into our ears right now. What we need is no work, no PNP, no work. Solidarity. Solidarity.
What we are calling upon the county government of Mombasa, Kilifi, Taveta, Kuala is that they need to join hands together and push for absorption of these people into permanent and pensionable terms.
Ngilivoti ya vilingi wa mauvo kuma kaunti ya Mombasa nita wa Angelina Muse.